Okay, today gonna do a quick video on a little 2-tube mobile amp I picked up. This is a little Elkin 2-tube with two 12 DQ6 tubes in it. Interesting looking little amp. The tune and load there is on that front, or that's the side, I don't know, with the same side that the coax goes into the in and out there, and the little RF indicator light. And then over here in the back you got the two switching transistors, the power wiring, and over here you got a little input tuner. Works real good. This has about a 1.3 1.4 input when you're actually using it. And also, if you notice, there is no power switch or any standby switch. When you apply power to it, it runs, and if you got power and you key the mic, it keys up. There's no standby or no off and on power switch to it. So right now we have no power going on into it. The power supply off. Show you what the radio is doing. Little Tram Titan 4. Only doing 20 watt scale, 1 watt. Whistling is 6. Let's put it on peak right quick. Audio, about 8-9 watts. And that's all we putting into it. And gonna put the meter off peak and on 200 watt scale, and turn on the little power supply we got up there, that little 28 amp switching power supply. Tube's lighting up. We'll give it a few seconds to let it warm up. Already on the 200 watt scale. Also, no lights or nothing to let you know it's on either. Little fan noise, if you can hear it, is coming from the power supply. This does not have a fan in it. Okay, I guess it's ready to go, and we got it all tuned up. That whining is what all tube power supplies, well, tube amps with the switching type power supply do. That's the switching back and forth, and it's at a rate that you can hear that switching, and that sounds like the whine there. So it's dead keying 20 watts. Audio. Audio. Hello, 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 hello. Talking about 100. Whistling to about 150, and last we're gonna put it on peak. Hello, hello, hello. Audio. Audio. On a 200 peak. So that's it. That little indicator light, if you can see, it does work. And that's all it is to it, to this little 2-tube amp. I guess I'll unkey it and carefully take the cover off. Next, I'm going to turn my power supply off first. I don't feel like getting shocked by this guy. And that's the inside. The two 12 DQ6 tubes, if I remember right. The tune and load and pi output. Over there, that's your tuned input. Your transformer. And it's been recapped. And that's all to it, this little 2-tube Elkin. Bye.